Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I think I was like super tired and lazy and puffy here, but yeah, let's get the tutorial started. This is the first time, by the way, I'm doing a voiceover, so bear with me. I am using the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray all over my face. This stuff is really nice. It smells great and there's caffeine in it and it makes you feel like super hydrated. Glow. Okay, for foundation I'm using the Iconic London foundation stick and their dark liquid illuminator. I believe it's the darkest shade, but yeah, I mixed those two because I really wanted to have this very bronzy glowy look going on. And as you can see, I'm going for full coverage today. So adding this like Instagram style, I'm just placing some dots and buff it with my, I believe, BH Cosmetics buffing brush. If you're wondering why I'm always looking to the right, it's because my television is there and I can see like how it looks like on camera. So now time for cream contouring. I am using, first time I'm using this, it's the concealer by Urban Decay Cosmetics, the Naked Concealer. I believe, I don't know the shades, but I will link everything as always in the description box. And I thought, I didn't know if this was going to work because the concealer is actually very sheer, but it worked out pretty fine actually. I do think it was more on the orange side, but other than that, I really love this concealer. Personally think my forehead is quite wide, so I really like to darken up the sides of the forehead to make it look smaller. So now for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is in the lightest shade. I know that not everyone likes a very light under eye area. It depends on what look I'm going for, but I like to be a little lighter under my eyes, and for some looks I like to be very light under my eyes. So highlighting my forehead, nose, chin, and under my eyes. Now I'm using my damp beauty blender, which is new. Well, not anymore because now it's very dirty. I'm going to blend the darkest shade first, so the places where we've contoured, and then later the concealer. But I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can definitely, you definitely can. It's quite orange, but I think with the rest of the makeup, it worked out pretty okay. But I recommend if you want to like cream contour your face, use a shade that is slightly cooler than this one. For highlighter, I'm using a cream highlighter. This is a stick from Iconic London as well, and I believe this is in the shade Original. And I'm going on top of this with the lightest liquid illuminator. So yeah, this is like a glow to the max tutorial. I know this is like over the top, but it's just meant for those days when you want to look full coverage with a lot of glow. So I'm going to blend everything with my beauty blender again to make sure that everything is very dewy and smooth. I'm using the brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this was in the shade medium, and I got inspired by Desi Perkins. I saw her brow tutorial, you have to check that out. She did 3 different brows and I fell in love with the way she did her brows. It looked so natural, and lately I'm kind of like really loving the natural brow, the bushy brow. I didn't think I could achieve it because I don't have a lot of hair going on, but I do really love how it came out, so I will do a natural brow more often. So now I'm defining my brows with the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. And after that, I'm using the brown mascara from NYX Cosmetics. I really love this brown mascara. If you don't have a lot of money for a high end, you can definitely use this because I don't even see like the difference. This is Makeup Store Cacao eyeshadow. Oh, stay hydrated, girls. I don't know what that was. I think my husband edited this video. But this is in the shade Cacao from Makeup Store. I think it was limited, but I'm not sure. I am in love with the shade. It's kind of like a true brown shade, which you don't really see often. You see like more brown, orange, warm shades, but this is the perfect brown shade. And you can blend this very, very easily. So I'm kind of building this shade up. And this is beautiful, you guys. This is one of my favorite colors from Urban Decay. And this is the Mono eyeshadow in Thunderbird. I really love this color. It's kind of like bronzy. Love a color that's everything in between. And from the Nocturnal palette, I am using the Midnight Cowboy Rides again, slightly on the center of my eyelid, you know, to like freshen up this look and to have something going on my eyes. Same shade, I am using it for my inner corners as well. So for the lips, oh, I love this lipstick so much. The whole series of Too Faced, I love it. So this lip liner is from Flormar. I will mention the number in the description box. And this is in the shade Sunday Fun Day, which is one of my favorite shades from Too Faced. Smells amazing, very long lasting, very hydrating. So for lashes, I've used the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, and yeah, that makes this whole look complete. I hope you like it, hope you enjoyed it. I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye bye.